I'm sure you've heard the news. Corrosion costs industries billions every year. But what if your plant had a proven solution? GlobeCarbon Industries is ready to deliver. For 35 years, GlobeCarbon Industries has stood as a name you can trust for corrosion protection and thermal engineering. Based in Maharashtra, we're not just another manufacturer. We're the go-to partner for acid-resistant bricks, graphite and carbon bricks, specialty cements, heat exchangers, and so much more. Our secret: relentless commitment to quality. Every product, from anti-corrosive liquids to rubber linings, is crafted to meet and exceed international standards like IS and DIN. And thanks to our in-house R&D lab and top-tier machinery, we deliver both standard and fully customized solutions on time, every time. With a dedicated team of engineers, R&D experts, and skilled technicians, we've tackled turnkey projects for chemical, pharma, and fertilizer plants, steel, and power plants across the globe. From the USA to Chile, Morocco to UAE, our seamless distribution network ensures rapid, safe delivery wherever you operate. At GlobeCarbon, we believe your equipment should last longer, perform better, and stay maintenance-free. That's why we back every product with rigorous quality checks, competitive pricing, and unbeatable after-sales support. Ready to future-proof your operations? Partner with GlobeCarbon Industries, where innovation, service, and client satisfaction are the building blocks of everything we do. Visit us at globecarbonindustries.com or call today to get started. 098 223 33033.